Sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. What's next for Simone Biles? A Winter Olympics, maybe. Milwaukee, Simone Biles wants to go to another Olympics. A Winter Olympics. The 27-year-old hasn't made any decisions about her gymnastics career or competing at the Los Angeles Games in 2028. Biles does know she's going to take a break when her Gold Over America tour, GOAT, get it? Wraps up in November, and is looking forward to doing things she's never had time to before. Cooking is a new passion. She's got a restaurant, Taste of Gold, opening soon at Houston Intercontinental Airport. She and her husband, Chicago Bears safety Jonathan Owens, are planning trips. And after having lunch in Paris with skiing great Mikaela Shiffrin, Biles would like to attend a Winter Olympics. It's a little bit daunting because, for 20 years, I've only done gymnastics. To be real, that's the only thing I know that I'm good at, because of the hours that I've put in, Biles told USA Today Sports. So it is nice to explore other avenues. That's really exciting, because you never know where life will take you. To have that time to explore is such a blessing. So, too, being able to celebrate her success. Biles has said the Rio Olympics, where she won 4 gold medals and a bronze, were something of a blur. They were her first games, and she was just 19. The Tokyo Olympics were more of a nightmare. Friends and family weren't able to attend because of tight COVID restrictions, and Biles developed a case of the twisties that forced her out of much of the competition. But Paris allowed Biles a chance to have the full experience. Her family was in the stands as she won 4 more medals, 3 of them gold. Even Owens was there for the team and all-around finals after the Bears gave him permission to miss a few days of training camp. Biles stayed in the Olympic Village and was able to go to other events after gymnastics was done. Now her tour is packing arenas across the country, with fans young and old eager to see Biles and her fellow gymnasts in person. The cast includes Jordan Chiles and Jade Carey, fellow Olympians in both Tokyo and Paris. Josc Roberson and French Olympian Melanie de Jesus dos Santos, both of whom trained with Biles and Chiles in Houston, are also part of the show. Biles also included male gymnasts in the show this time. Brody Malone, Frederick Richard, and Paul Juda, who helped the US men win their first Olympic medal since 2008, are joined by Tokyo Olympians Wiskus and Moldauer. This one is just electric. Everyone has such great energy, Biles said. A lot of people are still on highs from the Olympics, from their success. So it just feels so much different, from 2021. With much of the country still under COVID restrictions then, both crowd sizes and the gymnasts' interactions with the fans were limited. And because of Biles' experience in Tokyo, the show centered around themes of mental health and being confident.